Welcome back. So you're trying to get more plant-based nutrition into your lifestyle, but you're torn between buying a juicer or a blender. You want both, but you don't want to spend a small fortune or clutter up your countertop with two bulky appliances. Well, I may have the solution for that exact situation. This right here is the Nama C2 cold press juicer and blender combo. And it might be the most versatile all-in-one machine I've ever tested. Okay, let's check it out. All right, so what is the C2? Basically, Nama took their flagship J2 batch style juicer, which has become a cult favorite for how easy and hands-free it makes juicing, and they combined it with a high-speed blender, all on a smart single motor base. Here's how it works. When you attach the juicer assembly, the motor automatically knows you're in juicing mode, and the dial gives you simple options for on, off, and reverse. But when you take that off and put the blender pitcher on, the motor base instantly switches over and gives you access to a high-speed blender with full variable speed control, plus a set of blender presets for smoothies, soups, nut butters, milling grains, and even self-cleaning. It's a really clever setup, and I've got to say it works seamlessly. Now the juicer itself, it's the exact same J2 juicer assembly, which is a huge win. If you've seen any of my J2 reviews, you know I'm a big fan. When it launched, it completely changed the game for cold press juicing because of its batch hopper design. No more standing there feeding in one carrot at a time in the feed chute. You just load up the entire recipe, whole apple, celery, pineapple, leafy greens, shut the lid, and let the machine do the rest. You can walk away and multitask while it chops, feeds, and juices everything automatically. Seriously, I've made juice while checking emails, prepping the next batch, or even doing jumping jacks. It's that easy. So having that exact same time-saving juicing setup in the C2, that's amazing. But now let's talk about the blender. Nama just didn't slap an average blender on here. They gave it some real power. It has a top blade speed of 26,500 RPM, which actually beats out a lot of top tier blenders, including the Vitamix 5200, which maxes out around 22,500 RPM. It also comes with preset programs that I actually find useful. You've got 1-minute presets for smoothies, crushing ice, and milling nuts or grains. There's also a 7.5-minute soup function that creates warmed raw soups with the heat created from the high-speed blender. And the cleaning preset is a cool bonus too. Fill it with hot water, a little dish soap, put on the lid, press the clean button, and it cycles through pulses and high-speed blending that scrubs the pitcher and the inside of the lid in about a minute. Honestly, it works really well. Now, if you like adding in protein powders or superfoods while blending, Nama thought that through too. The blender lid has a little measuring cup insert on top so you can pour in 1 or 2 ounces of ingredients mid-blend. You can also remove that cap and use the Tamper, which is great for thick smoothie bowls or frozen fruit blends. That same Tamper also fits the juicer hopper lid if you ever need to press anything down. But honestly, I never really use it with the juicer because the built-in cutter in the hopper does such a good job feeding ingredients down on its own. Now let's talk cleanup. The juicer assembly has the same hinged pulp chute that made the J2 so easy to clean. It comes apart in seconds, rinses quickly, and I can usually have the whole thing clean in about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. The blender pitcher is just as easy, especially with the self-clean function. I usually give it a quick rinse, fill to the hot water line, drop in some soap, run the clean preset, and that's it. Super simple. There are also some smart safety features built in, especially great if you've got little ones who like helping in the kitchen. The juicer won't start unless the lid is clicked closed, and the blender lid has a locking lid designed to keep it from flying off if things get turbulent in there. Plus, if you ever forget it's on, the juicer will automatically shut off after 30 minutes and the blender after 7.5 minutes to avoid overheating the motor. And that's not all. With the C2, you're not just getting a juicer and a blender, it also comes with a sorbet attachment and a smoothie strainer. That sorbet attachment normally costs extra with the Nama J2, but it's included here at no additional cost. So you're covered for nut butters, frozen desserts, warm soups, green juices, nut milks, you name it. One of my favorite combos is making fresh almond milk in the juicer, then using that as the base in the blender with frozen bananas and berries. Super creamy, loaded with nutrition, and keeps you full for hours. So that's a lot of amazing features on the C2. Is there anything that I don't like about the C2? Well, there's a couple things, but they're really not that major. The motor base is heavier than either a standalone J2 or a blender like the Vitamix. It also has a larger footprint, and once you've got either the juicer or the blender pitcher on, the whole setup is about 3 inches taller than most countertop cabinets. But here's how I handle it. I leave the motor base out on the counter and just store the pitcher or the juicer assembly in the cabinet. That way it stays clean and uncluttered, and the base itself is sleek enough that it looks great on the counter. Now, one thing I wish Nama had added, especially for the blender, is a vacuum option, like what you get on the TriBest Backspin or Kuving's SV500. Vacuum blending helps reduce oxidation and preserves more nutrients in your smoothie or blender creations. The C2 doesn't offer that yet, but the lid design actually looks like it could support a vacuum add-on in the future. Fingers crossed that Nama develops one, but at the time of this video, it's not an option yet. Now, if you're wondering what else comes in the box, Nama includes 2 recipe guides, one for juicing and one for blending, which are super helpful. But the real surprise, you also get access to 2 full online courses, one for juicing and one for blending. These were created by Nama's in-house nutrition team, and they include 10+ video modules, 50 step-by-step tutorials, dozens of custom recipes, and 4 chef-designed meal plans, 2 5-day and 2 14-day plans that mix juicing and blending into a full routine. These courses normally sell for $50 each on the Nama site, but they're included free with the C2. So when you add everything up, you're getting a hands-free cold press juicer, a high-speed blender, sorbet maker, nut milk and nut butter tool, soup blender, smoothie pro, and a whole education package all rolled into one. If you were to buy the Nama J2, the Vitamix 5200, and those 2 online courses separately, you'd be spending well over $1,000. The Nama C2 gives you everything all in one unit for about 20% less than that. And with my discount code, you'll save even more for a limited time. All right, that's a ton of info on the C2, but what's my final verdict on this setup? I honestly think it's one of the smartest all-in-one purchases for your kitchen that you can make. If you're looking to level up your kitchen without maxing out your counter space or your budget, the C2 is a perfect fit. You get the amazing capabilities of both the Nama J2 and a high-speed blender all in one, plus all the educational materials and courses as well. If you already have a high-speed blender and just need a juicer, then the Nama J2 would be a great purchase for you. But if you don't have either and are looking to add both to your kitchen lineup, then I think the Nama C2 is a no-brainer. Okay, that's my opinion, the Juice Feaster point of view, but what do you think? Would the C2 earn a permanent spot on your kitchen countertop? Do you already own the C2? How do you like it? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're ready to check out the C2 for yourself and grab the limited time $100 off discount code, just click the link in the description box below. Okay, that's all for now. I appreciate you tuning in, and until next time, make lots of juice, blend lots of smoothies, and as always, stay juicy.